Hello, this is Joanna from Alpha Yoga School. Welcome back to hands-on adjustments. Let's show adjustments for Prasarita Padottanasana A. Let's assume that the student has a rounded back. We want the spine and the front torso to be almost equal length in this standing forward fold. So, I step into the office. I ground the sacrum. With my hand on his sacrum, I can control where I want his weight to be. So I want his weight to be equally on the heels and on the toes. Heels and toes need to be grounded. So I'm pushing slightly down on the sacrum. 2 fingers, second and third finger on the trap, and I say, look up. So I'm taking him slightly out of the posture. At this moment, the student should feel it in his hamstrings, and the spine is nice and straight. Let's show another adjustment if the student is deeper into the pose. So go down, Martin. Good. I ground the sacrum. If the student is taller, you can put your forearm on him. You don't want your shoulder to come close to your ear. So I ground the sacrum. I cup my hand and I follow the direction of the spine. So for this flexibility, I would go somewhere in the middle of the spine. I cup my hand and I just follow the direction of the spine. Good. Let's say now that the student is more flexible and he's kind of like vertical to the floor. So fold forward, Martin. Good. I announce my arrival with my left leg. My right hand, I'm right-handed. My right hand is coming behind the hamstring. My left hand on the spine. I lift my right heel because my student is tall, and I place my knee on my arm. Then this is having the direction of upwards, and this is having the direction of down. To come out, I ground the student. I help him and I say, inhale, come up. Hands on hips. Inhale, come up. Exhale, close your feet. Let's show adjustments for Prasarita Padottanasana position. So hands to hips. Inhale, head up, lengthen. Exhale, fold from the hips. So here, this is a shoulder opener. I want the student to bring the so let's say that the student has the shoulders out. I would like the students to bring the shoulders more in. So I'm in a warrior 1 position. I'm taking my hands on the outside of the student's forearms, and I place my hands with my fingers facing up. Inhale here. Exhale. So as I close my hands, he should feel it in the shoulders, and then I can gently press down. I always look at the foundation. Heels are grounded, toes are grounded. My fingers are facing up, and I can close his shoulders towards each other. To come out, I ground the student. 2 fingers on the trap. Inhale, come up. Exhale, hands to hips. One more adjustment for the same position. Hands to hips. Inhale, exhale, fold. So here I grab, let's say, above the elbows. For him, if he was in a standing position, it would be under the elbows, but since he's upside down, is above the elbows. I grab the elbows, inhale, exhale, I press down. I can also bring the elbows together, one towards another, But here, I'm lengthening the spine and opening the shoulders in the same time. Warrior 1, position for the adjuster. Spine is straight. I gently let go. Ground the sacrum. Grab the shoulder. Inhale, come up. Exhale, release. So these were 2 adjustments for Prasarita Padottanasana B.